we will study about timber yielding plants. Timber is strong wood used in construction of building, is popularly known as timber. Now this timber is used as raw material for making up framework, doors, windows, tools and industry. There are many important timber yielding trees, but in this video we will study about teak plant. Teak is also called as Sagwan, Burma teak. Its botanical name is Tectona grandis. This belongs to family Lamiaceae, and its wood is also called as secondary xylem, is economically important. Now if we see the teak tree, this is a large deciduous tree. Now we can see this is the tree of teak. It has stem and these are its leaves. Now again this is teak tree and this is its wood, which is economically important. This part is secondary xylem. Now we can see here this part is heartwood and this outermost part is the sapwood. Now this is a deciduous tree, mean when it matures, its leaves they can fall down, so it is called as deciduous tree. Now its height is up to 131 feet. This is being used in India for more than 2000 years. Tree can live up to 200 years. Now this tree is in great demand in India. Its wood is very valuable. Now if we see its morphology, this has main stem, then we can also see these are its leaves and these are its branches and these are its flowers. So if we see about morphology, teak branches are four angled and have large opposite or whorled broad ovate leaves. Its flowers are white, small and borne in large panicles, mean clusters, at the tip of the branches. Fruits are small, surrounded by papery calyx, mean calyx is like paper. Now its wood, like we have already seen, this part is the wood part. This is being used for various purposes. This is economically important and this is produced after secondary growth of the plant. This part is also called as secondary xylem. Now wood, when it is being used for various purposes, this is seasoned. Seasoned in mean this is dried. This can be dried by various technique and this is called as wood seasoning. And when moisture has been evaporated from the wood, now this can be used for various purposes. Now wood is called as secondary xylem. Its wood has certain properties like it is ring porous and is made up of vessels. Like if you see the structure of xylem, this is made up of tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma and xylem fibers. Now 95% of the wood is made up of vessels. Wood has distinct growth rings or annual rings. Every year, new cambium is produced, and that will produce new secondary xylem and new secondary phloem. So, rings are produced. By counting the ring, we can also count the age of the tree. Now, its wood is differentiated into heartwood and sapwood, like earlier we have seen. Now, this part in the center is called as heartwood, and this part is called as sapwood. Now, sapwood is whitish creamish in color and heartwood is golden yellow to golden brown. Now we can see here, now this part of the like this part is heartwood and this part is sapwood. So heartwood is in the center. This is dark in color and sapwood is also functional and this is light in color. Now, what is its economic importance or uses? Now, teak is one of the most important timbers in the world. This is very valuable and it has great demand in India. This is being used more than 2000 years. Its wood is best for the construction purposes. This is extremely durable and hard. Wood can be seasoned also. Wood does not warp, split, or crack. It doesn't develop crack on drying. Its wood takes a great polish due to the presence of resin canals, and that is having resinous matter in the pores, which can resist the action of water. Its wood cannot be decayed easily. So it can be protected without paint, because whenever we want to protect the wood, we paint it or varnish it. But this can survive for longer duration without paints. This is also characterized by an fragrance which is leather-like from the sagwan wood. This is retained for a longer period, and this is the main important feature of the wood. It has a particular fragrance. It is considered to be one of the best timbers for furniture formation, cabinet work wagons, and railway carriages. Now we can see here certain figures. Now this is furniture is being made, table, chairs, sofas. We can make different kind of furniture. Now these are used for railway purposes, and this is for marine ship work, and these are plywoods. So wood can be used for house construction, for making doors, window frames, and many furniture things, bridge building, plywood, like we have seen, this is plywood, musical instruments, furniture, blackboards, cabinets, poles and beams, doors, windows, floors, and many other construction works, because it can resist chemical. So this can be used in the laboratory for the formation of the bench tops. So it is not decayed by the saline water. So this is used for ship building. So when wood is used for various purposes, certain wood chips are being produced. Now that wood waste is used for making clipboards. Now this is the wood waste. It is used for making clipboards, fiber boards, and plastic boards. Oil is extracted from its flowers, which will increase hair growth, and that also treats the itching. Juice of its leaves increases blood and also improves your immunity. Seed oil is also used for the treatment of baldness. So this is all about economic importance of teak tree. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe.